For a long time, I've not been happy with the way I store my headphones and my controllers. As you can see, I just put my headphones right here and my controllers in this bin. So today I got something that will solve that problem. And that's what's inside this box right here. As you can see by the picture, it's supposed to store your controllers, your headphones, and it looks like a tablet and a phone. It says everything right here, and a Nintendo Switch. That's pretty cool. So the back of it here shows exactly what to do to put it together because it is not going to be in one piece. So let's open it up and put it together. Oh, it's more pieces than I thought. Okay, now I've got everything lined up here so that it's easy to understand and easy to follow with. And if you threw out the box by accident, it also comes with a little instruction manual right here that came with this piece. So now let's put it together. We're starting with the lower rods because that goes on the bottom. It comes with 2 screws, which will go in these holes right here, and then the rods go into the screws. Next, you're going to line this up with the lower rods, and then you're going to take the middle rods and place them inside the holes here. Pretty simple. Now you got to do the same exact thing with this piece again, but with the upper rods. Next, we're going to take this, we're going to line it up this way, and then we're going to put 2 screws in it. And boom, we're done. So now to put everything on, the headphones just go right on the back like this. And then one controller goes here, sits very nicely. And then another controller goes right here. Look at that. That was so easy. There's a bunch of little slots down here, and it feels very nice. It feels like silicone or rubber to put like a tablet. I don't have a tablet, but I do have this, which is bigger than a MacBook. But let's just put it there just for the sake of this video. It fits. It doesn't look as nice because you can't really see everything else, but it does hold it very well. These sticking out also have a purpose if you have wired headphones. I'm about to show you what these are for. So same thing with your headphones. They just go like this, but what you can do with these, let me turn it a little bit so you can see it easier, is you can wrap the cord around it. So here's what it looks like all together. Looks super clean, super nice. I absolutely love it. Now I just got to figure out where to put it. I'm kind of thinking right here. Wow, this thing actually feels very sturdy. Okay, maybe not here. It sticks over that a little bit. Well, don't grab the controllers when you're moving this, I guess. Luckily these controllers are like bulletproof. They're very sturdy. Just as sturdy as this thing. This thing is really nice too. But yeah. Let's just slide this back. I'm going to just go with that for now. That looks good. I like it.